Hello everybody. In the last video, we solved the second layer of the Rubik's Cube and the white. In this layer, we are going to solve the yellow side fully. Now, it's a bit confusing this one. So, if you have got a different variation, unlike mine, you will have to see it in video number 4. And if you've got a thing like opposite a turned L like this, a turned L, then you're going to follow this. Otherwise, you might have got in a single here, a fat T, a single line, or many others. So if you've got in the opposite L, then just follow this, and we're going to keep the top of the L facing away from us. So the top of the L facing away, and then we're going to do this moveset, which is going to be front clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, then up anti-clockwise, right anti-clockwise, and then the front anti-clockwise. So as I was talking about the front T, you might have gotten this or any other. Now that I've got this, the next step is to get a rocket. So what you have to do is just the right clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, then up 2 times, and then right anti-clockwise. So now I've got the yellow cross, and then we need to get the corners, right? So we're going to keep this corner facing away from us, which is to this side, to your right, and just do this movement again. So it's right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up and clockwise, right clockwise, and then up 2 times, and then you come up with this, the T again. And you, I guess, need to repeat this moveset one more time. I guess 2 more times. Yes, 2 more times. So it's up. Then you come up with this rocket. So you see that's a fire there, and then that's where you sit. So we're going to keep the rocket facing this side, right? And then facing down, and we're going to repeat the same moveset again. Okay, now the rocket's facing up. You're going to turn it towards us again, and the same thing, same moveset last time. And you see, we have got the yellow side completed, the white side completed, and the 2 layers of the Rubik's Cube completed.